Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about grapefruit, and I have a list of foods that are known to pair well with grapefruit. So if you're looking for some different meal or recipe ideas that call for grapefruit, hopefully this will help you out. In the protein category that includes legumes, nuts, and seeds, there's almonds, beef, cashews, chicken, fish, hazelnuts, pistachios, pork, salmon, scallops, shrimp, sunflower seeds, and walnuts. In the way of vegetables that go well with grapefruit, there's artichokes, specifically Jerusalem artichokes, arugula, beets, cabbage, especially Napa cabbage, celery, celery root, chicory, chilies, cucumbers, Belgian endive, fennel, ginger, greens of all types, jicama, kale, scallions, spinach, and watercress. In the way of other fruits that go well with grapefruit, there's avocados, bananas, cherries, coconut, dates, kiwi, lemon, lime, melon, oranges, passion fruits, pears, pineapple, pomegranates, raspberries, and strawberries. In the way of grains and grain products that go well with grapefruit, there's bulgur, which we know is wheat, farro, millet, oats, quinoa, rice, and wild rice. In the way of dairy and non-dairy products, there's cheese, especially feta cheese, Parmesan cheese, and ricotta cheese, coconut cream, mascarpone, and yogurt. In the other foods category, there's agave nectar, caramel, honey, maple sugar and maple syrup, mustard, olive oil or other oil, but olive oil in particular, soy sauce, sugar, especially brown sugar, coconut sugar, and date sugar, vinegar, such as champagne vinegar, rice wine vinegar, and sherry and white wine vinegar, vodka, and wine, in particular sparkling wine. Well, I do hope this helps. Bye for now.